We'll guide you through how to get space in Dropbox. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search this tutorial to free Dropbox storage, avoid upgrade costs, manage large files efficiently. Start from your laptop home screen. Locate the search bar on the screen and open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website by typing the address into the address bar and loading the page. Log into your account using your email and password, then wait until the dashboard fully loads so all features are available. Next, go to the Files page so you can view all stored items. Click Size to sort files by their size, which helps you identify files that take up the most storage. Select the largest file from the list and click Delete to remove it. Repeat this process for other large files until you have cleared the biggest storage consumers. Next, open your Videos folder and delete old videos that you no longer need. Then open the Downloads folder and remove unnecessary files that are no longer useful. After that, find large zip files in your storage and delete unused zip files to free more space. Locate PSD or project files that are no longer relevant and delete old projects that you do not plan to use again. Click the search bar at the top of the page and search file types like MP4 to find additional large media files. Review the search results carefully and delete any unneeded items you find. Open the Shared tab to view folders that have been shared with you. Enter a shared folder that you no longer need and click Leave folder to remove it from your storage. Return to the main Files page once you are done. Open deleted files to access items that are still in the trash. Select all items in this section and click Delete permanently to clear them completely. Confirm deletion when prompted to make sure the files are removed. Wait until the process finishes and the system completes the cleanup. Refresh the page to update your storage information and ensure the changes are applied. Check the storage indicator to see how much space you have freed and confirm that your Dropbox storage is now optimized.